J, J, J. J is for jar. J, J, jar.
Like a jar of honey. That's a jar of honey. These are jars with preserved fruits in them.
These are peaches.
Yeah. And they're putting them into the jars to preserve them. And this is a shop this man is selling herbs and spices and stuff. And here's a cook who's using herbs and spices out of a jar. But jars are also used for cosmetics like cream and also used for glasses.
And this is orange juice.
Yeah, maybe apple juice.
J. J is for jar. Jar.
J, J, J. J is for jam. J, jam.
You love jam? This is a lady making jam. You see that? She's got a hot pot and she's stirring up the fruits.
It got strawberry.
And that's a jar of strawberry jam, looks like, or some kind of jam, maybe black currant, I don't know. She's going to put it on her bread or something. And there, toast. There she is putting the jam on her toast. Look at that. Yummy.
Yummy. I love jam.
And there's some jam in a cake. So you can put jam in a sponge cake, and also you can put jam in biscuits.
I know jam. J. J for jam. Jam.
J, J. J is for juggler. J, juggler.
J is for juggle.
That's right.
Juggle.
Oh look, there's a chef juggling with some oranges in his kitchen. And look at this man juggling some, looks like glowing balls at night time. There's a lady juggling with fire. That looks a bit dangerous. And there's a man juggling some skittles. Yeah, like bats. Oh, he's doing it again. He put one under his leg. Look at that. He's a juggler. Oh, what's happening? Oh, he dropped one.
J. J is for juggle. Juggle.
J, J. J is for jet. J, jet.
That's right, look at that jet.
Here's a jet.
That's a military jet.
And it's flying flying left and right.
There's a view of a pilot, or maybe that's the guy at the back of the plane. They've just done a barrel roll.
And here's a kind of jet.
Yes, it's a passenger jet.
Airplane.
That's a passenger jet.
Here's a jet.
Oh, look at this one. These are 4 jets flying in formation. They're stunt pilots. And they're going to go and do a big loop-the-loop all together. That is very difficult. Look how close they stay together. That's called flying in formation. And they've just done a loop-the-loop in the sky.
J is for jet. Jet.